Oops. Hey. JJ. JJ. Hey. JJ. JJ.
Wow, horrible.
Ew, you little shit. He went like that to me. Oh. You just wanted to wipe it on me, didn't you?
Such an awesome wedding cake.
Got him like doing it 3 times. What are you gonna do with that finger? Oh! You just stuck that. JJ. You like that finger, huh? Where'd you put it at? We can get tired.
The gas kid, I want that fucking picture. Post it up on my MySpace.
Where'd you put that finger at, huh? Right there? Now it's on my camera. Boogers on the camera? Are you boogers on the camera? Crazy little kid. Little shit.
The baby is sick. It has water in the brain.
Oh, Sarah's baby.
Are you fucking serious?
Yeah. Alright, JJ, we're done.
Actually, been telling him off because he is friends with my neighbor and he tells me to turn off my internet.